Hey y'all.
I got him trained so well. Look who is back and better than ever for yet another Hey Y'all episode. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
We're giving up our fryer for our turkey this year, and we are
going back to old school smoking a turkey.
He's showing me how to do it. Okay, now, no matter if you are roasting, frying, smoking a turkey, you're gonna need a really good rub. Some people are team dry rub turkey. For this smoked turkey, we are doing a dry rub, and it consists of all the best ingredients: brown sugar, kosher salt, rosemary, thyme, sage. I think that is the holy trinity of Thanksgiving cookery. Rosemary, thyme, and sage. They're like the sturdy, hearty, warm herbs. And then we've got like parsley, dill, chives, basil, mint. All of those are like springy. These are like the fally ones. Black pepper and garlic powder. Mix all of this together really well. Once your herb rub is all the way mixed up, you need to reserve 1 tablespoon of it in a separate bowl. We are going to use that in just a second, so set that off to the side. Then you need your bird, and I brought in a special helper for that.
What time is it? It is turkey time. Get that thing going.
So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of the dry rub, and we're gonna rub it in the cavity.
Ooh.
Now, we're gonna take all of this and rub it on the outside.
Okay.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving side?
Dressing.
Ooh, mine honestly might be the dressing too, but I need to know, what is your favorite Thanksgiving side dish? We are both team dressing. Put it in the comments. All done. Now, technically the recipe says you just let this chill for 10 to 24 hours. Okay. Here's our chilled turkey. Now, 10 to 24 hours later, you will take your reserved 1 tablespoon of your herb rub with some softened butter. And we're gonna mix the 2 of them together. Okay, so we're gonna rub this underneath the skin, and we need to lift up the breast. Oh, look at that, now that's beautiful. Tucked wings.
That's ready to go in the smoker.
And it is ready to go in the smokers. Okay, so we have to light the smoker.
Light it.
With charcoal.
Charcoal.
In the chimney.
Some people use wood chunks. It depends what you like. I like to use charcoal.
Okay.
So we're going to light it in our chimney. Of course, we're going to put charcoal in here, light a fire. Once it gets 15, 20 minutes, we're going to take the charcoal, pour into our smoker or in your grill. And after we get it lit, we're going to put a plate in so you can cook it indirect, so the charcoal in the fire doesn't burn your bird or whatever you're cooking.
And that is if you have a cast iron cooker. Like this Golden's cast iron cooker.
Right.
If you do not have a cast iron
if you have like
cooker,
a Weber style grill or some type of grill like that,
you still need indirect heat.
Indirect heat. Just put all your charcoal in one side, 1/2 of your cooker, and the other half you put your bird on. And then that way the flame doesn't burn your bird.
Because we're not looking to grill, we are looking to smoke. And grilling is direct heat, smoking is indirect heat.
That's correct.
The grill's super hot, it's ready to go.
It's ready
It
to
needs
go.
to be between 225 and 235, so we can open it up, and then we add our hickory chips on top of the charcoal. So about 3 cups of those. That gives it the flavor that we're looking for.
Some smoke flavor and some flavor, correct.
And after we add the chips, then we'll put the grates and the plate back on it for the indirect heat, and then we can put our bird on top of that. And it goes until the bird registers 155 degrees in the breast, which will take about 5 to 6 hours. Ugh. Look at that!
Ooh.
That is a pretty bird.
That's pretty. You did a good job, Ivy.
Let me temp it.
What temperature is it supposed to be?
We're looking to be about 155. All right, we're there. Nice and golden brown. That is one thing that I love about a smoked turkey. An oven roasted turkey doesn't get this dark. Smoked turkeys are super dark. It's just really, really pretty.
Look at this pretty turkey, Ivy.
Gobble, gobble. That is just beautiful. What do you think?
I love it.
If you recreate this for your Thanksgiving spread, which I do, I haven't tasted it yet, but I do highly recommend because of the sheer hands-off time. And you can sit down and enjoy time with your family instead of, slaving away in the oven or the turkey fryer. Now, no Thanksgiving is complete without rolls, at least
gravy.
Thanksgiving for Farmer Wayne O. This is white sauce.
Oh.
Because normally a turkey would be served with gravy, but because we have a smoked turkey and we're in Alabama, I'm a Georgia girl, but I have been a convert to the Alabama white barbecue sauce with smoked meats.
You have been converting me, so I'll try it.
It's pretty good. So we're gonna gravy boat this on up. I had to serve my Thanksgiving gravy in a gravy boat, but I think that's about it. Does this Thanksgiving spread look good to you?
It looks beautiful. I'm ready to eat.
Me too. Okay, let's start carving it up. Okay. I mean, it looks like a good looking plate.
It does.
The turkey smells really good and smoky. This is not a smell I'm used to at Thanksgiving because we got the fried turkey, all the casseroles. We've been outside the whole time, but it smells so good.
I think it's gonna be good.
Let's give it a try.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Gobble, gobble. Much better.
I like that.
We're gonna continue to enjoy our smoked turkey. I might be convinced to switch to a smoked turkey because this is super tasty. I love the hands-off time. Although a fried turkey does have a sweet spot in my heart. So if you do try smoked turkey, as always, take a picture of it, tag me on Instagram at Ivy Odom and at Southern Living Mag. We love to see when y'all do stuff that we create on Hey Y'all. If you already smoked turkey for your Thanksgiving table, put that in the comments, or do you always fry turkey, but maybe this year you want to smoke it? Tell me how you are cooking your turkey. I am dying to know. And so is Pitmaster Wayne O.
I want to know.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you're watching on YouTube.
Ring the bell.
Click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. All right, y'all. You had a fly on here? Okay.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble.